Welcome back to Learn BC. Please like, share, show your love. We're going to talk about GL posting groups. All right. So what do we mean by the GL posting groups? Let's go back to our crazy diagram and let's now focus in here. When we're going and creating a journal, we've got the ability to turn around and effectively journal that straight to GL. And when we do, you're going to see all of these posting groups appear on the journal. Sometimes hidden, sometimes not. But the point being is they are there, whether you personalize to pull them in or not. And so standard posting practices means that when you post, we're going to get to a point where the general posting setup combines with the general product posting group and the general business posting group to determine where our income sits, our costs sit, interim inventory, so on, COGS, you name it. With your tax posting setup, when you post, it combines the product and the business. So the product is what the item's tagged against, the business is what the customer or vendor's tagged against, to determine the tax setup and where that liability sits on your balance sheet. Let's take a look in Business Central. Within Business Central, you can see here, if we go into the sales journal, I've created here an example. I've exposed the 4 columns, which is the general posting type. You've got the general business posting group, the general product posting group, the GST or VAT business posting group, and the GST product posting group. Now, in this example here, if the document here wasn't a GL, for example, if it was a customer, straight away you can't use these transactions, okay? Because they flow directly. It's only when we're applying against GL. So let's say that this is freight, and it's freight, and here I can add a so it's a purchase for freight services, Kronos, God bless. Here we go, 10%, and I can enter the amount accordingly, and it will turn around and post accordingly. But you can only use these when you're using GL as your account type. Okay. All right. Please like and share. Feel free to contact us with any questions. Thank you.